Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel by Kai. My name is Kai. I make fashion, travel, lifestyle, and locks content. If you're here right now on my channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me and continue to watch this video all the way through because you're gonna like it, I promise you.
Right now, right now, right now.
So if you clicked on this video, you're probably just like me, trying to dye your hair from whatever color it is back to black because you're tired of that color. I get it. And today's video is gonna help you do that. So I'm gonna take my bonnet off and you're about to see my locks. So let's go. So this is my hair right now. This is like 2 months no retwist. So it's been a minute and I'm really tired of this color. It's starting to give this like dusty orange bleach kind of color and I'm over it. I really want to go back black. And so today's video is going to be me dyeing my hair back from this color back to black. And so that's the goal for today. I have some products from Sally Beauty. One of my stylist friends put me on to what to get. She told me not to do a box color. So I'm gonna show y'all what products I'm gonna use. And so we'll see how this turns out, but keep watching. Stay tuned until the end. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into the video.
Y'all do not be like me. Go get a mixing bowl and a brush to do this the right way.
What? Yeah. Don't be pointing at me. Speak this. Like.
Is what? What's that? Speak up.
So right here, I'm just sectioning my hair off, making it easier for him to go throughout my entire head and color it in all the different sections.
Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Think you felt fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No. Say I'm so crazy, baby. I'm so crazy. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the key. Please, for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. Please, for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No. You gon' make me beg, make me plead. Please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time for me. Said you come.
As you can see in this clip, he's just taking the color and massaging it through my scalp, making sure no orange or brown or any dull natural black colors are showing, but making sure that all of the color is touching every strand of hair. Y'all, please do not mind his glove. It obviously did not fit and he still forced it and it ripped. Real ghetto, I know. But as you can see, he's just taking the color and going down my locks with it and massaging it into my hair.
I wanted you to raise my mind. They said you got high as the sky, up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No, you gon' make me beg, make me plead, please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time for me. Said you come here home intoxicated.
See, he did a really great job. Like, it's black. I got black on my face. Like, it's cool though. We about to sit for a minute and then wash it out. So I just want to show y'all what it looks like before we go to wash it out, because my hair is black, like black. I chose the very black because I didn't like the natural black color, but we're really black now, so. It kind of has like a purple tone to it, but it's really black, and this is the color that I was going for. I was tired of dusty black when I first had my locks. I was tired of blonde. I just wanted to go back black, and here we are. So I'm about to sit for 45 minutes with a cap on. So I got my 2 caps, and I'm gonna put it on my hair and let this color sit for 45 minutes before we go to wash it out. That way it'll settle in. So let's do it. You got a timer, babe? Timer. 45. So I'm gonna let this sit for 45 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and wash it out. But I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm not gonna sit here for 45 minutes and talk. I'm about to go watch TV, about to go eat, about to figure something out for the next 45 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back on camera. When I come back on camera, I'm gonna show y'all the results and we'll get to it. Like, I'm kind of scared of how dark it is. So this is how it came out. It ended up being very black, like how the box said. At first, I wasn't really comfortable with it. I'm still trying to like get used to how dark it is, especially like contrasting between my skin. But I feel like once I get my hair retwisted and once I style it, it'll be really cute and it'll be the dark color that I'm looking for. Like I said earlier, my natural black was really like a dusty black and I didn't love it, but I always wanted a dark black color for my locks. And so I figured that this would be the best way to go, but I'm a little nervous about it. I think I can make it cute. I think it'll be cute after I style it and after I, put it together. But I wanted to make sure I came back on camera to show y'all. This is a couple of days later. I almost forgot to record the aftermath, but this is how the color came out. I'm not gonna say I'm in love with it, but it definitely got the job done. My boyfriend did a great job at making sure all the blonde and all the red was covered. And you don't see no like color throughout my hair, like at all. Everything is jet black and that's how I wanted it. So I'm very satisfied with how the color came out. The quality of that product is really nice. Like, shout out to Kyra. If y'all watched my past video about my first photo shoot, she did my makeup, but she also recommended this product that I use for my color because it's a better quality product. It had my hair feeling so soft and so moisturized. Like, my hair didn't feel stripped at all after recoloring it, sometimes color can do that, but my hair felt super soft, super moisturized, and it definitely got every inch of my head. I had 2 bottles and it did what it needed to do. So definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. If you're gonna dye your hair from whatever color it is back to black, I would suggest those products because they're really great and they got the job done. I think I paid like $8 a bottle, so it wasn't expensive at all. But that's definitely the way to go if you're gonna dye your hair back to black. And yeah, I just want to make sure that I came back on camera and told y'all how the process went. I got to see majority of everything. This might be a short video, but I'm gonna make sure that I include everything from my experience in it. Thanks y'all for watching this video. If you got all the way to the end, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also check out some of my other videos on my page if you haven't seen them already. Thanks y'all again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.